This is all of my investments. If everybody could please take a moment and subscribe to the channel, I'd appreciate it. Uh, I'll leave the link in the description below if you guys want to check out our website. All right, first stock on the list to talk about ABUS. I think Moderna had they lost some kind of dispute or something, so some of the other stocks are are jumping up, I guess, because of that. So this is sort of a higher float stock, but you can see it made a bit of pre-market, then pulled back, tapped VWAP a couple times, eventually reclaimed it, and made a nice move here, at like 11:30 or something like that. Um, these higher float stocks, they don't, the breakouts aren't as easy to spot as with some of the lower ones. Another high float stock, ARDX. This thing was just all over the place pre-market, and then it sort of dropped off at the open, and then just took off right through VWAP, and just kept going. Made a nice clean move pre-market up to hit a high of 166. Sort of lower price stock. Let's see here. So, all right, SLHG. They announced that they're going to do a presentation, I believe tomorrow. Anyway, so it jumped up pre-market and just sold off after that. Yeah, so I guess, in my opinion, it's up on, I guess, pretty much no news. I mean, that hasn't happened yet. But I guess that's the catalyst. BBW, sort of like a bit of a let's see if I can blow this up. A little bit of a flat top breakout here. Yeah, it's not the cleanest thing ever. Yeah, that's sort of what I got out of this. Yeah, so and then just nice slow move up to hit a high of 23, 34 there. So that's BBW. CNTX. I don't see any news on this one. Yeah, this is just sort of all over the place, isn't it? Yeah, nice. It's nice spikes here, but I'm not really seeing any patterns. Another high float stock, ROIV. Again, up on from Moderna, their news. I don't know, some nice breakouts on this one at a high of 977. Uh, yeah, so it looks like it wants to reclaim that $10 level. Maybe we'll luck out, then we'll make another move tomorrow. Okay. All right. BOX, they made a move after hours yesterday. Came up a bit more and then just sort of hung out there all day today. AUVI, AUVI, they something with the armed forces in Taiwan or something. It didn't sound like a bad catalyst to me. Evidently, it didn't go over as well. Some people didn't get the reaction that I thought it would have gotten. Applied UV says its exclusive distribution partner in Thailand uh, will be installing CEO's airside units at Armed Forces Research Institute of Medical Sciences and something Thailand. Anyway, popped up pre-market hit a high of 686. Yeah, and it just came right back down. Yeah, just about tapped VWAP there at the open, then just sort of fell off after that. BCTX. I made a nice movement midday. Hit a high of 1247, and then just they just pulled the rug out from under everybody on this one. Let's see if I can blow this up a little. Yeah, so it's a nasty drop there. All right, what was that? BCTX. I think the only other one I have AHI. Let's see. I made a nice move here at around like 10:45. It, went from like three, 315 level, had a high of that candle 487. Pulled back, just choppy after that. Nice move there. Um, yeah, so this is all about investments. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for keeping up with us. Thank you.